It's important that you review the information explained in video number 1, general aspects, before starting to make the collars. Firstly, because they have the same time of parts, we'll work collars 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the same time. On the one hand the collar base, and on the other hand the lapels, which have different shapes but are all sewn in the same way. As we have seen in the video in general aspects, we can interface the collar with harder or softer interfacing according to our taste. We'll start making the upper part of the collar, the one with the points. Take 2 equal pieces and put them right sides together. Pin the contours and leave the neckline unstitched. Now stitch 2 similar ones. Leave the neckline open. Trim the corners so that there is no fabric left over. We'll also notch the curved area of the collar. Then turn it inside out and press it. In the case of the collar with rounded lapels, we can trim the excess seam allowance in the most curved part of the lapel, leaving half a centimeter or slightly less so that when we turn the piece the rounded shape is better marked. When turning the pieces, we can pull out the corners with a pin. The next step is to place the collar stand, no matter which collar we are making. We'll take the 2 pieces of the collar stand and place them side by side, but in the middle of the 2, we'll place the piece we have just made. We will be guided by the center back and shoulder notches, and the front part of the upper collar must match the notch we have on the collar base at the front. Once all the pieces are in place, we'll sew the seam allowance. Then, we'll trim the seam allowance of the curved area. Notch the rest of the piece and turn it over. Press the collar. If you have a tailor's ham, you can use it to help you get a nicer shape thanks to the ironing. This completes the making of our first 4 collars. In the presentation video you can see how to attach the collar stand to a standard neckline.